Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 amazing skincare tips that you must try. So now let's get started. Tip number 1. Apply rose water daily. Rose water acts as a natural toner and can definitely be used daily. The best thing about rose water is that it usually works for all skin types. You can use it once or twice a day. It will keep your skin hydrated. Rose water have a lot of benefits. Because rose water balances skin's natural oils and works wonders as a toner, it's a great fit for oily skin. Tip number 2. Try ice facial. Ice facial has become very popular in recent years because it's a natural, affordable, and simple skincare technique that can provide the skin with a lot of benefits. All you need to do is dip your face in cold, ice water for 10 seconds. Do it for 1 minute only. Do try it. I know, you are going to love it. Tip number 3. Use vitamin E capsule for dark circles. Every night, before going to bed, take 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E oil and massage your under eye area with it. Leave it for the rest of the night. Wash your face the next morning with warm water. It will reduce dark circles. Results will take time, so have patience. Tip 4. Use Vaseline as an eye cream. It's simple and affordable technique, so don't need to buy expensive eye cream. Tip number 5. Try this best DIY mask. Acne is considered the most common skin problem. This mask will help reduce acne and is a solution for all skin problems. This DIY homemade mask is best for all skin type. Apply it twice a week. I have tried every single tip, and I love them all. So guys, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.